Where'd Connor go, Mommy?
I don't know. He disappeared. He did his disappearing act. There you are! Hi! Is this ready to come out? Oh, 3 minutes.
There he is. Put on your big hat. Put on your big hat. The big hat. Yep, put it on like a hat. Yep, you can put it on like a hat.
Hat?
Yep. Oh, Daddy's getting a hat. Where's Daddy? Now we're both in here. We both have a big green hat on. Okay. Can we come out? Shh. Maybe Mommy can't see us. Mommy doesn't know where we are. Wait, hide. Get back. Where's Mommy?
Hi!
Where's Mama? She doesn't know where we are. She can't see us.
Connor, Mike, where are you? Connor, Daddy. Oh, hi! I couldn't see. Oh, where did you go? You're gone again. Connor, Daddy. Where are you? Where? Oh, there you are. Hello.
Okay.
Dada.
Bye-bye.
Hat?
You want a hat again?